In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you add your campaign items into a marketing plan. Inside your engine, once you've added your campaign items, you can see that I have 21 and we can view them here. You'll go into your engine, into your DNA plans and select add. In the plan title, let's just call this our test marketing campaign. And we're going to select a campaign type. Once you've given it the heading, campaign type, you can then go add expense item. This will allow you to pick from your items. So you can see it's quite simple. Keep picking what you need. Try not to pick the same thing twice like I've done, and you can remove it. And you'll then be able to keep adding items into this. When you're finished, you can see you have the option to drag these into any particular order you want. And then you can hit Create DNA Plan. When you want to view this, you go to View, and inside your DNA plans, you have your campaign plans as well. So you'll be able to see my test marketing campaign. It's worth 1300 and we can edit. I'll now delete that duplicate that we made and let's go into a property. Let's look at a particular test property here. And to apply this into the marketing campaign items, you can see I have some here already. All you need to do is hit Actions, Add Marketing Campaign. It will now be in my list as a test and I will be able to assign that to this property.